Hello everyone! In this tutorial, we will learn about the work clock radio and how it works. A clockwork radio is a radio which does not require the use of a battery to provide it with electrical power. Let's discover how it works. When you turn the handle on a clockwork radio, you wind up the spring inside it, and you increase the elastic potential energy of the spring. Recall that the elastic potential energy is the energy stored when an object is stretched or compressed. In this case, the spring is compressed. When the spring unwinds, the energy from its elastic potential energy store is transferred to its kinetic energy store and turns a small electric generator in the radio. Recall that the kinetic energy is the energy of a moving object, and the electric generator in this case is an electrical component that converts kinetic energy to electricity. To summarize the process, when turning the handle, the spring becomes compressed. Then, when you stop turning the handle, the spring expands. In this step, the elastic potential energy stored in the spring transforms to kinetic energy, and then the kinetic energy is converted to electricity by the electric generator. For this reason, clock radio does not need batteries or electricity. So people in remote areas where there's no electricity can listen to the radio programs, but they have to wind up the spring every time the store of energy has been used.